Okay, today we're going to swap out the pump system in Tom Bogner's car. The purpose of all of this is so that we can run E85. We have taken the stock pump out because we know from previous tests that it won't be enough to make 1,000 rear wheel horsepower, plus we're going to run E85. The problem with this one is it's a returnless mechanical system with the regulator built into the bowl, and although it's a very big pump, it just won't be able to keep up. So we're going to go ahead and replace that system with this system over here. It is a dual pump setup, and it will put out quite a bit of fuel. We're going to show that here shortly by testing it on our flow bench. It'll be more than enough, more than adequate for the 1,000 rear wheel horsepower we're going to make. And the beauty of this system is it drops right in place with where the old pump went. And this will allow us to turn this into a return system. We'll pipe a line up to the front where the fuel rail is, put a regulator in up there, and we'll run a line back to the back for the return. And it's a nice system. It's all set up to run dual pumps, and then we'll also run our dual booster pump on that system. So we'll have plenty of fuel today. Obviously, we're well known for our superchargers, but one thing that some people might not know about is another unique product that we have that complements supercharging and making a lot of horsepower, and that's our booster pump. This is a really neat little product that can allow you to keep from having to replace your pump system. This will actually go in and raise the voltage to your pump system, your existing pump system, and it can make it into about twice the size of whatever your normal pump capacity might be. We developed this product years ago, back in 1996, when we got into supercharging, because we knew the pumps were going to have a little bit of a hard time keeping up. So this product will really help prevent you from spending a lot of money that you might not need to spend on replacing your existing pumps with a lot bigger pump. Okay, so what we've done is we've hooked up the dual pump system and we're testing it currently at 12.5 volts, which is about normal voltage for your vehicle. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to record the things, the amperage for the pumps, the flow, and the voltage. Okay, so what we've done now is we've hooked up our 17.5 volt booster pump to the same setup, nothing else changed. All we're doing now is spinning the pumps up to 17.5 volts from 12.5 volts, and we'll see the results. Okay, the liters per hour is going to be about 510. The voltage into the pump is 17.5. Amperage is around 30 amps. Okay, so now at 21 volts, those two pumps are putting out like 700 liters per hour, which is more than double what they were at 12.5 volts. So that should be plenty of fuel. Okay, so now we're going to test the stock pump, and I don't expect it's going to flow a whole lot, especially at a lower voltage. We've got it all hooked up now, and we're going to give it a try. See here that even at going from 12.5 volts to 17 volts, we more than double the capacity of that pump. So now that we hit it with 21 volts, we're up to about 220 liters per hour from about 190 at 17 volts. We can literally double the amount of output from a stock pump with this little beauty right here. It's a pretty neat device. We use it on all our kits. We sell a lot of them, so you'll see them all over the place.